Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Alfred Lam. I'm your course instructor of Develop ArcGIS Android mobile apps. This entry-level course is designed for GIS Android developers without programming experience. You will learn to develop a couple of useful apps for base map, GPS, 3D map, web map, etc. I will demonstrate the building process step by step, and all the working code are attached to the lecture resources file in PDF and other formats. Although this ArcGIS Runtime SDK for Android is not completed yet, I can't wait to introduce you its functionalities here, so you may have a glance of its capabilities and may be interested in integrating its features into your current or future apps. All the working code are attached to the lecture resources file. To start this course, you don't need any pre-programming experience. What you need is a computer installed with Android Studio, which you can download free from Google, and you need an internet connection during the app development. The project setup with ArcGIS SDK could be manually, online repository, or by local repository. For simplicity of this course, I will only use ArcGIS SDK by Maven repository online. Finally, my current Android Studio version for this course is 2.3.3. Are you ready? Let's start.